Will AnyTone ever incorporate auto setup of repeaters based on GPS? Actually, they already do, and that is another thing we are coming into. It's called ranging, GPS ranging, and all that. And what it is it's going to range you from from the repeaters that are inside your actual radio. So what it's going to do is it's going to say, "Oh, I'm close to this one. Boom, let's switch over to that repeater. I'm close to this one now. I'm going to switch over to this one." So it's going to automatically switch between them. Now, if you're talking automatically program your repeater, it's not an AnyTone thing. That's a DMR limitation. DMR is not like Fusion or one of these other ones where they'll push all that information into your radio. DMR just does not have that capability right now. Maybe in the future, someone will create something for that. But as of right now, DMR's limitations, the most they can provide you over the air is the call sign or name, as well as the DMR ID and talk group ID and some of that information over the radio.